So the big news is, it's gonna be a rodeo, I guarantee you. We're out here on Glade Road. We just turned off of it. I saw it off of Highway 28. I've been wanting to check it out and see what's at the end of it. It's probably gated.
No signs telling you you're not welcome.
We're gonna check it out and see if we can find something cool and bring you guys along for the ride. All right, cool. All right, here we go. Glade Road. Let's see what it does. But anyway, I just wanted to get out today. I know we're in Georgia, northern Georgia. Pretty quiet day. Have a morning to maybe talk to just me and you. You, plural, hopefully. Hopefully there's more than one of you. But yeah, I got some big news coming up. Okay, so I don't know if I mentioned it or maybe it was right in the middle of stuff, but I do want to say that right when we turned onto this road, it said no Burles Ford access. So we got some big plans coming up this summer. Big plans. A little creek here, but I've got a culvert land bridge. Still pretty cool. Get a shot of this. Nice. Just to show you, it's getting tight. I can't get by that way. There's a big tree down. I mean, I could, but I'd have to cut it. Let's see if I can go around this way. How in the world am I? Oh, that's a big tree limb. How in the world am I going to get turned around? Don't know. Is that a creek or a trail? So on the map, we are just south of the North Carolina border there. Yeah, the trail's gotten tight. But we're gonna push forward and see if we can get to the border. Yeah, we're still maybe 1,000 feet from the state line, but we're getting there. All these trails that go from Georgia up into North Carolina. I don't know what it is about that I enjoy, but I do. I just think it's cool to start in one state and cross the line. So I kind of get excited about it. Let's see here. Huh. I just can't imagine doing this in anything bigger than a Landcruiser. Part of the reason I love this thing so much is you can get it back in here to some tight spots. Woo. Okay, this is it. The North Carolina Georgia line. Looks like somebody's been camping right here. It's kind of a wide spot in the trail. I guess you could set up right here. I'm gonna go, ooh, it's pretty bermed up, so I'm probably gonna turn around right here. I don't know if you can see behind me, but this is North Carolina. That's what you get when you come to North Carolina. They got berms set up. So from this point on, look how thin this trail, how skinny this is. It's pretty much a walking trail. So that's why we're not gonna push forward any more than this. We got a nice little area here, and I brought some food, and we're gonna set up and have some dinner or lunch. From the South, it's weird. They call it supper and dinner, and they mix the two up, and I never could get that right growing up, so I can't help you. That's just, it's one of those things. Anyway, all right. So the big news is, you and me, we're going to Colorado this summer, 4th of July. I don't know the exact dates, but that time period. You and me. We have a date. We're gonna take this here Landcruiser, and we're gonna go across the country to Taylor Park, Colorado. There's a general store out there, a bunch of ATV trails, all OHV trails. So we'll take this Landcruiser wheeling. We're gonna take our four-wheeler out there. We are gonna have a great time. Our buddy Chris with Four Wheel Boogie's coming. John at Slater Rock Shop's coming. Get ready for that. I've got to get this Landcruiser ready for the road. It's got some maintenance items and some additional things I might add to it just to make it more overland ready. I want to build a sleeping platform from the back, so on the way out there I can just set up right here in the Landcruiser and sleep. I want to go ahead and say thank you to everybody watching right now. Thank you. Your support is what's led to this decision, that and it makes me really happy to take this leap with you. And I'm excited. Boy, am I excited. So out west, I know I got a lot of big ideas. Sorry, I'm getting, yeah, stick around. We're going out west. We're going to Colorado, Yellowstone, Taylor Park, everything in between. It's gonna be a rodeo, I guarantee you. Let's go. So tight. I wouldn't come through here in your camper van or your RV. Pretty unmaintained road, so it's kind of, you know, if you're into that sort of thing.